Vamos al aire en 3, 2, 1.
Good evening and welcome to BB Chem News. My name is Dominik Sainz. I'm a partner in a while. We'll explain you what is chemistry.
Hi, my name is Abigail and I'm going to talk about chemistry. What do you think when you hear the word chemistry? Well, some people think about atoms, explosions and experiments. Well, yeah, chemistry involves that, but that's not chemistry. Chemistry is the story of matter, its properties, and how substances are combined or separated to form new substance. I can say that chemistry is everywhere and involves everything, from the food that you eat to the growing. Chemistry is one of the physical sciences that help us to explain our world. That's the reason chemistry is so important. And now, what is global warming?
The term global warming refers to an increase on Earth's normal temperature. This is because the part of Earth's outgoing infrared radiation is retained by several trace gases in the atmosphere, whose concentrations have been increasing because of human activities like commercial, agricultural, and industrial principles. These gases have the ability to retain radiation. That's why it is leading to warmer climates that normally won't happen. The most important naturally occurring gases that have the ability to absorb radiations are water vapor, carbon dioxide and methane, and nitrogen oxide and ozone. But in addition, there are also other industrial gases that can also cause this radiation in the atmosphere, like chlorofluorocarbons, perfluorocarbons, hydrofluorocarbons, and sulfur hexafluoride. These gases are the ones that produce the greenhouse effect and are also called greenhouse gases. And now we're going with Dr. Torres in the section of health.
There are people you scared the hell out of me. Ugh. Oh, let me introduce myself. I'm Víctor, Dr. Torres for you. You see that? Listen, real doctor, real tools. So, let's start. Today we'll talk about one specific subject called chemistry, the beautiful chemistry. Let me give you an example. Chemistry is everywhere. Know that, kids. This is chemistry. Chemistry. So, well, I will not talk about chemistry itself. I will talk about chemistry and its contribution to medicine. That's why I'm a doctor. It's called cute, isn't it? Oh. Chemistry is everywhere, anytime, always in our daily lives. But today we'll talk about the contribution, as I already said, in my patient medicine. So first of all, with chemistry, medicine will not be what it is today. You wouldn't be watching this and I wouldn't be sitting over here and we'd probably be dead. But who cares? Almost all of the branches of my beautiful career involves chemistry. I'll give you one clear example, pharmaceutical. Pharmaceutical chemistry has helped you to make almost every single medicine you have taken in your entire life. It is contributing, pharmaceutical is contributing to make another medicines to make our life easier. So let's move on. Chemistry has also helped in the creation of medicine that prevent other kinds of diseases. For example, the influenza H1N1. 4 years, because 4 years later a new virus had appeared called Ebola. Ebola killed around 10,000 people, more than 10,000 people, but who cares? That's another story. And so now you know chemistry is your savior. And thanks for paying attention to this video, and kids, have a nice day and obey chemistry. You know what is chemistry? Kids, don't try this at home, this is dangerous. This is chemistry. Woo. And guess what? I'm at my home. Thanks for paying attention.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Torres. Now we are going to the section of cooking with the chef Rangel.
Today on your lab section, food chemistry, we're going to talk about the different substances that there are in food. Everything we eat is made out of a mixture of chemical compounds. At the beginning of the 19th century, the philosopher Malthus made a prediction that in a few decades, the human race will disappear because of the lack of food. And obviously, he was wrong. He has developed substances that improve harvest, like fertilizers and additives. Food additive is a substance that is added to the food with the purpose to extend their conservation period. And I didn't invent this, you can ask an expert. Yes, it's true.
Well, that was good to know, chef. But now we're going with our special reporter in a work-free zone, Mr. Tella. Oh, yeah, can you hear us? Yeah, we're going with you.
Chemical bombs are coming in. They're coming from behind. They're coming from everything. They're coming from everywhere. Machine guns are coming. I don't know what to do. Chemical bombs. They're coming. They're made of gases. I don't know. Oh my god. They're going from gases. And Private Víctor Tella. And then status report. The bombs are down. They're made of hydrogen, cyanide, salmon. I don't know what to say. They're so bad. My eyes are itching. I don't know what to do. They report me there's one bomb.
Well, I can hear you, Mr. Tella. It seems like we have some troubles over there, so we're gonna count. But that was our special section live. But now we're going with Mr. Dante.
Good morning, my name is Dante and today I will be giving the weather report. The melting of the polar ice caps has become a really big problem here in Mexico, and today I will be giving you some of the best solutions to solve this problem. My first solution is the installation of solar panels in schools. Since the installation of solar panels uses solar energy to power up schools, it will reduce electrical bills, making energy more beneficial in schools. My second solution is reforestation. Since trees give us a lot of oxygen, they are very beneficial to us. So cutting them down is a really big issue, so reforestation can help us a lot in the world. My third solution is green roofs. Green roofs consist of planting trees and plants on top of roofs. For this, you need a certain type of house and a certain height, but it's very beneficial to the world and will give us oxygen and also give us green plants.
Well, now, before ending this mission of BBCam News, we're gonna see what's the thinking and reflection of my workmates. First, we're gonna start with Miss Abigail. We're going with you.
Chemistry in the modern world. Well, my reflection of this topic, as I said before, chemistry is everywhere, and now we can find it in our modern world, for example, in the computers, in the televisions, in the phones, cell phones, and in cars, and too many things. Actually, in everything. That's just my opinion. Well, what do you say if we asked an expert about this? Let's go with Dr. David.
Chemistry nowadays is one of the most important things in our society because it has done so many things for us and it's doing things for us to live a better life and make an easier life, and is doing things to the future, and it is involved in every single career.
In my opinion, chemistry has a really big impact in the world because although we do not see it in our daily lives, it is there, and believe it or not, it's always happening around us. And it is very important because it allows us to know the physical properties and chemical properties of matter.
Well, what I believe about chemistry is that it's everywhere. Everything is made out of chemistry, and it's a really important thing to us to know because as more as we know from chemistry, we will know more about everything that's around us, and it can help us in many aspects of our lives. So that was everything for today, and thank you for watching BBK News. We'll see you in the next mission. See ya!